Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video we are going to solve a question from IIT JAM 2020, and this question is from calculus. This question is from section C, that is we just have to put the numerical value here. Now here we have a double integration and its value is k times e raised to 4 minus 1, and we need to find the value of k, right? Now by looking at this double integration, some of you may think that this is a hard question, but it is not the thing. This is a really very easy question, but you should know the technique how to solve this double integration. So let's find the value of this. Now we cannot integrate this e raised to x square function, right? So we just have to change the order of this integration. So what we have to do, we just have to change this integration to dy dx, right? And this e raised to x square as it is. So we have to change the limits, right? So let us first write the limits of x. So from here x is from 2y to 2, right? And y is from 0 to 1. Now let us draw this region. So for that, here we have y axis, this is our x axis, and this means x is equal to 2y, right, to x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 means this line. So let's put x is equal to 2. Let us draw x is equal to 2y. That means what? This line is like this. So x is equal to 2y, and now this is y axis, x axis. So what is the region? It is y is varying from 0 to 1. So here we have 1, here we have 2, this point is 2 comma 1, this is 0. So this is our region of integration, right? Now we have to change the order, right? We have to change the order. That means we have to take this dy dx, right? So for that we have to change the limits. So now here let me just copy this diagram, because we have to change the limits. Now look at the limits. So here we have x is equal to 2y. So you write y in terms of x. That means what? We can write this as y is equal to x by 2, right? So this line is y is equal to x by 2. And what is the equation of x axis? This is y is equal to 0, right? That means what? Y is varying from bottom to top. That means y is from 0 to x by 2. And what about x? X is varying from this 0 to 2, left side to right side. So x is varying from 0 to 2. So these are the limits of integration. That means the above integration becomes, so it was from 0 to 1, 2y to 2, e raised to x square dx dy, and this becomes, write the limits of x. So it is from 0 to 2, y is from 0 to x by 2, e raised to x square as it is. Now this dx dy becomes dy dx, right? And now let's solve this. So this is very easy, because now this is a function of x, right? Here we have dy, so we can take this outside. That means here, so this is 0 to 2 e raised to x square, integrate 1 times dy and then dx, right? So this is just 0 to 2 e raised to x square as it is. What about this? This is just y, and the limits are from 0 to x by 2, right? So this is just x by 2 minus 0 dx as it is, right? So this is equal to 0 to 2 e raised to x square times x dx by 2, right? Which is equal to 1 by 2 times integration from 0 to 2 e raised to x square x times dx. This is easy, right? Because we can just put x square is equal to some variable, say u, then we have 2x dx is equal to du, So this gives x times dx is equal to du by 2, and the limits of integration are, now u is equal to x square. So when x is equal to 0, u is 0, when x is equal to 2, u is 2 square, that is 4, e raised to x square is e raised to u, x times dx is du by 2, and let us solve this. This is easy, right? So this is 1 by 2 times 1 by 4 times e raised to u, it is from 0 to 4, right? So this is 1 by 4 times e raised to 4 minus e raised to 0 is 1, and in the question we have given this as k times e raised to 4 minus 1. So what is the value of k? This is just equal to 1 by 4. So be careful here, we have asked about the value of k and not about the value of integration, right? So the answer is 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25.